Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
The Learn, Develop, Live podcast brings you another 1 minute of motivation. And here is your quote for today. You were born to do more than just go to work, pay your bills, and just die. So what did you do when you got up this morning? Did you get up and go to the same old job, earn not what you're worth to be able to pay your bills this month? You do the same thing every day with the occasional day off, maybe changing your job every so often, but still you earn enough just to pay the bills before you die. Surely there is more to your life than this. Make today the start of the new you. Go and find your purpose in life, see who you can help, and in turn, help yourself. You deserve so much, and this is just the first day of your new beginning.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.